Have you ever wondered to yourself, I make enough money to live on, but where is all my money going at the end of each month? Have you ever wanted to create a workable, meaningful budget for you, but you just don't have the tools and you don't even know where to start? Well, I'm happy to let you know that my Know Your Budget course is designed specifically with you in mind. This is a personal finance journey and I walk through every step of the way. Not only that, but I provide you with the specific tools that you will need in order to create a meaningful, workable budget. And these are actually the tools that I use in my own life in order to keep me on track with my budget and to keep me within budget every single month. And so starting today through the end of May, this course is offered at half off at the lowest price that I've ever offered it. And you're going to need to use the coupon code half off, all caps, one word, when you click on purchase. Make sure to put that in because you won't get the discount if you don't use that code. So I want to make sure that it's very clear, half off at purchase. So use coupon code half off. And this is going to give you half off the current pricing. All of the pricing is going to go up. The coupon code is going to expire at the end of May. So make sure that you get in the course today and let's get started on creating a meaningful, workable budget for you. Don't just take my word for it. Here's a couple of reviews that will help you see from other people's perspectives how helpful this course is. Rebecca Reed is a website designer who has gone through this course, and she says, Adrena is a great teacher. She makes all of the confusing parts of running a business, taxes, and saving easy to understand and achievable. I really loved her section on bookkeeping for the entrepreneur and feel it really helped me ensure that I was doing things correctly in my business. Thanks, Adrena. Kelly Van Dyke is a photographer, and she says this, Adrena, thank you for your budgeting course. I just finished Module 2, and it has really kept me in line with spending and savings plan for not only my business, but for my personal accounts too. I'm much more conscious of my money habits now, and I'm meeting with a financial advisor tomorrow to set up a Roth. You rock. Make sure to sign up at knowyourbudgetcourse.com and use the coupon code half off, one word, when you click on purchase. I'll see you guys inside the course.